Canberra, Australia, the 7th of February 2025. Canberrans are recovering this morning after severe thunderstorms hit much of the ACT and surrounding areas on Wednesday afternoon. The Bureau of Meteorology issued a severe weather warning just after 3 p.m., predicting locally heavy and intense rainfall which may result in dangerous and life-threatening flash flooding, large hail and damaging wind. Gusts. The storm hit southern Canberra first, before moving northeastwards in the afternoon. The storm left about 1,100 homes without power in parts of Weston Creek, Woden, Tuggeranong and Evatt, with some suburbs experiencing power outages of up to 30 millimeters. The State Emergency Service (SES) received 180 calls for assistance, mostly for hail damage and leaking roofs. Meanwhile, volunteers from the ACT SES will depart for Queensland this morning, to assist with the state's flood response and recovery efforts. Cleanup has begun in some North Queensland communities, but the Bureau of Meteorology has warned more rain is on the way to the region. A group of 21 volunteers from Canberra will head to Townsville, the first of 3 planned deployments by the ACT SES.
Alright, if I just come around this, I'll do this. Please.
Oh my goodness, wow, that's a rain in London.
Thank you.
Yeah.
With severe thunderstorms continuing to develop across parts of the Great Dividing Range, communities are also being warned to prepare for storms on the south coast, southern tablelands and snowy mountains. The BOM said locations likely to be affected include Braidwood, Canberra, Goulburn, Cooma, Bredbo and Nimitable. Forbes advised residents to clear gutters and remove fallen tree branches to reduce the risk of future storms. He also urged those affected to contact their insurance providers and arrange any necessary repairs. As part of the cleanup in Canberra, ACTSES has also deployed 21 volunteers to Queensland, where communities are recovering from severe flooding. The teams will clear debris and conduct welfare checks, with plans for more deployments. Forbes noted that ACTSES has enough trained volunteers to manage local storm damage as well as assist with interstate storm damage. The Bureau of Meteorology has warned that heavy rain is forecast for North Queensland, which could worsen conditions.